Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be looking at the Facebook Andela Build4SDG project that is currently ongoing. I love the community. I like being in the community, helping new developers do the right things, and that's why I'm making this video today. So I'm quickly going to share my screen so that we can get started immediately. So I know that some people will be having problems doing this project, so I wanted to pick out some points and go through them. First of all, I want to say that I'm very, very grateful to Facebook and Andela for the opportunities they are giving to young Africans who are willing to take it on in programming. Most of the things that I know today, I got through the training from Andela and Facebook, and you guys are so wonderful. I can't thank you guys enough that I'm doing so great in this is because of the training that you guys have given me. And that's why I make it a point of call to always be in the community, helping young developers. So first of all, you must have applied for these and you must have gotten a link from Build4SDG Cohort 2. So once you join the organization, you should be able to create your repository. This is the repository that I created, and you can use this to learn. These are team 882 farm produce listing. That's what I'm working on. And the concept of this is that I try to create an application where, much like a social network for farmers, where somebody can upload what he has in his farm, and you can have some people help the person sell it so that our farm produce are not perished because of lack of buyers, and also youths can get employed by helping sell out these produce from farmers. So that is, you can see farm produce listing to enable access people list farm produce to help farmers sell and transport to the eventual buyers. So the concept, actually, I prepared a spec showing what should be able to be done in this application. You should be able to register and post farm produce, delete them, and do the rest. So I'm going to drop all these resources in the comment section of this video so that anybody looking at it can use it to start up his own project. So the first thing I did was to do the wireframing. I did a little sketch. Maybe you will not see it very well. I did it in a notebook and I snapped it. Then I went on to use a graphic software to make this sketch. So wireframing is very, very important. You need to put what you want to do into context and make it visible so that when you're developing, it becomes easier for you to do. I'm going to be using Django to do this. Django, and the Facebook tool that we are using for the front end is React.js. So it's going to be from Django to React.js, Bootstrap, and the rest of them. So this is going to be the logo, farm produce listing, that's the app. Home, you're going to be able to post the farm produce, register login, and be able to post the produce together with the price, you understand. Then this is the footer. So this is an initial design. As time goes on, this design is going to be made to look much, much better. So this is the initial sketch, and that is what we have now. So this, because we are using a project management tool, GitHub bots for managing. So all these are going to be inside the GitHub bots. But showing what we'll do. So after the back end, we'll do the front end with React and Bootstrap. Then we'll do the security, SSL, create account with DigitalOcean or Heroku, host it, and check out the whole access. So first of all, you have to create a repo under the Build4SDG Cohort 2. So with time, I'm going to also show you how to do this in details. Then after that, you're going to go to Codacy, so that your writing code will be more perfect. So I've added this farm produce listing in Codacy. It's part of the requirement. So you make sure that you do all this. Then another thing is that you have to host on Heroku. This is Heroku. I've already hosted the site. You can see farm listing on Heroku. If you have any questions on concerns on how to do all this, you can drop them in the comment section. And also the front end has to be hosted on Netlify, and this is my Netlify login. So the steps that I'm going to be using to build out this is already on my website, www.jamboeknekoini.com. You can see Django steps. Once you get to the website, you see the search types Django step. You're going to see some of the steps, not all the steps actually, but the eventual steps that I'm going to use, I'm going to put them up in, I have a folder on this desktop for SDG. I'm going to put them up in that folder, and you should be able to see them. Okay, so this is the SDC folder. Then I'm working on some steps in form of put them in Notepad so that you can see them and use them for your own work. So this is actually how it's going to look like. Not exactly like this. It's going to be better at the end of the project. So I'm actually I've conceptualized it, and I'm working currently on it. I'm using Django as the back end. I'm going to be building REST API for the produce, the various produce that you're going to be adding. So it will basically have image, have the product description, price, and the rest of them. So people should be able to post their produce, and some other person go buy. So I think I'm going to be stopping here, but I'm going to be giving us a notepad showing the list of commands that are going to be used and such thing as we have here. Okay, so see you when I see you. Thank you. God bless you.